Hariom students, I hope all of you are staying safe at home. You maintain 2 meter distance away in public place. What is today saying? Remember, even this will pass away. ഈ സ്ഥിതിയും മാറി വരും. അതായത് നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ ഉദാഹരണത്തിന് ഇപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ കോവിഡ് മഹാമാരി പോലെ ഒത്തിരിയധികം യാതനകളും വേദനകളും അനുഭവിക്കുന്ന സമയമല്ലേ. നമ്മൾക്ക് സാമൂഹ്യ അകലം പാലിക്കണം, മാസ്ക് ഇല്ലാതെ പുറത്തിറങ്ങാൻ സാധിക്കുന്നില്ല, കൂട്ടുകാരുമായിട്ട് കളിക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്നില്ല, സ്കൂളിൽ സ്വാതന്ത്ര്യത്തോടുകൂടി നമുക്ക് സ്കൂളിൽ വന്ന് പഠിക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്നില്ല. അങ്ങനെ ഒത്തിരി ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടുകൾ നമുക്ക് ചെറിയ കുട്ടികൾക്കും വലിയ പേരൻസിനും ഒക്കെ ഒത്തിരി ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടുകളുണ്ട് അല്ലേ. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ അത് ഓർത്ത് വിഷമിക്കേണ്ട കാര്യമില്ല. അതെല്ലാം മാറി നമുക്കൊരു നല്ല ഒരു ദിവസം നമുക്ക് വരും. അപ്പോൾ അതിനുവേണ്ടി നമ്മൾ പ്രതീക്ഷയോടുകൂടി കാത്തിരിക്കുക. അല്ലാതെ നമ്മൾ മനസ്സ് വിഷമിച്ചിരിക്കേണ്ട കാര്യമില്ല. എപ്പോഴും നമ്മൾ പോസിറ്റീവായിട്ട് ചിന്തിക്കുക. എല്ലാ കാര്യങ്ങളും മാറി നമുക്ക് നല്ലൊരു ദിവസം ഉണ്ടാവും. അപ്പോൾ അതുകൊണ്ട് അതിനായിട്ട് നമ്മൾ കാത്തിരിക്കുക. ഓക്കെ, ടുഡേ വി ക്യാൻ സ്റ്റഡി എ ന്യൂ ലെസൺ, അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡിങ് quadrilaterals. You already studied the closed figure. What is a closed figure? Look here, closed figure. Closed figure you studied, already studied. Here, anybody can say what are the closed curve here? Here if this is a closed figure. This is a closed figure because here we start from here and ends at the same place. It is closed. Here also if you start from a point, it ends in the same point itself. But here if you start from here, it ends here. It is not closed. So these are closed figures. So what do you mean by polygon? Polygons are also closed figure. They are only made up of by line segment. Polygons are closed figure made up of only line segments. Polygons are closed figures. Closed figures made up of only line segments. They are made up of only line segments. Line segments മാത്രമായിട്ട് ലൈൻ സെഗ്മെന്റ് മാത്രം കൊണ്ട് വരയ്ക്കുന്ന ലൈൻ ഫിഗറിന് പറഞ്ഞ പേരാണ് പോളിഗൺസ്. എക്സാമ്പിൾ, this is a polygon. It is made up of how many line segments are here? 3 line segments. It is also a closed figure. So what is a polygon? Polygons are closed figures and they are made up of only line segments. Line segments മാത്രമായിട്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ polygons വരയ്ക്കുന്നത്. This figure is also a polygon. They are also made up of only line segments. This figure is also a polygon because they are also made up of line segments. So what is a polygon? Polygons are closed figures made up of only line segment. You remember it. So it is a closed figure and also it is made up of by only line segments. Okay. Next, based on sides we can classify polygons. Here name of sides classification. So if the polygon is of 3 sides, it is called a triangle. What is the name of the polygon? Triangle. So 3 sides. If the sides is number of sides. Here the number of sides is 3. Then what is the name of the polygon? Triangle. If the number of sides of the polygon is 4, we can name it as quadrilateral. Then if the number of sides of the polygon is 5, we can name it as pentagon. Then if the number of sides is 6, it is hexagon. If it is 7, it is heptagon. If the number of sides of the polygon is 8, we can name it as octagon. If the number of sides is 9, nonagon. And if the number of sides is 10, we can name it as decagon. And if the number of sides is 10, we can name it as n-gon. For example, if the number of sides is 15, we write 15 and then put a hyphen and then write gun. Then it means that the polygon is having how many sides? 15 sides. So If the number of sides is n, we can name it as n-gun. So based on the sides, we can classify polygons. We can give different name for the polygons. For example, first one is 3. If the number of sides is 3, we can name it as triangle. If the number of sides is 4, it is quadrilateral. If the number of sides is 5, it is pentagon. If the number of sides is 6, it is hexagon. If it is 7, it is heptagon. Then if the number of sides is 8, what is the name? It is octagon. If the number of sides of the polygon is 9, it is nonagon. And if the number of sides is 10, it is decagon. And if it is more than, if the number of sides is n, we can name it as n-gun. So based on the sides, we can classify polygons. We can give different name for polygons. 3 sides. If the sides is 3, it is triangle. If it is 4, it is quadrilateral. If it is side is 5, it is pentagon. If the sides are 6, it is hexagon. If it is 7, it is heptagon. And if the number of sides is 8, it is octagon. If the number of sides is 9, it is nonagon. And if the number of sides is 10, it is decagon. If the number of sides is n, we can name it as n-gun. You remember all the names. You write in your notebook and study it well. You draw a table and then write neatly and then study it also. Okay? Next is diagonal. A diagonal is a line segment. A diagonal is a line segment connecting two non-consecutive vertices of a polygon. Consecutive vertices of a polygon. Vertices of a polygon. So what is a diagonal? A diagonal is a line segment connecting two non-consecutive vertices of a polygon. For example, this is a quadrilateral ABCD. You can name it as ABCD. Then what is a non-consecutive vertices? The A and C and B and D. Then if we join this, we will get two line segments. They are called the diagonals of the quadrilateral. So what do you mean by diagonal of a quadrilateral? A diagonal is a line segment connecting two non-consecutive vertices of a polygon. So here ABCD is a quadrilateral. If we join A to C, then we will get a diagonal. AC is a diagonal. If we join B and D, then also we will get a diagonal. So what is a diagonal? A diagonal is a line segment connecting two non-consecutive vertices of a polygon. So what are the diagonals here? AC and BD are the diagonals here. So in quadrilateral ABCD, the name is ABCD. The diagonals are AC and BD. So what do you mean by a diagonal? Haridhalakshmi, a diagonal is a line segment connecting two non-consecutive vertices of a polygon. Then a quadrilateral has how many diagonals? Krishna Vinesh? It has two diagonals. Joining the opposite vertices. So a diagonal is a line segment connecting two non-consecutive vertices of a polygon. In quadrilateral ABCD, what are the diagonals? AC and BD are the diagonals of the quadrilateral ABCD. Okay. Next is regular and irregular polygon. A polygon which is equilateral and equiangular. A polygon which is equilateral and equiangular are called regular polygon. And others are called and if it is not if it is not equilateral and equiangular then they are called a irregular polygon. Then they are called irregular polygon. Irregular polygons. So what do you mean by a regular polygon? A regular polygon, a polygon which is equilateral and equiangular. Allah mean, what do you mean by equilateral? Equilateral means all the sides are equal. Then what is equiangular? Equiangular means all the angles are equal. So what do you mean by a regular polygon? A polygon which is equilateral and equiangular are called a regular polygon. And if it is not equilateral and equiangular, then we can name it as irregular polygon. So what is a regular polygon? A polygon which is equilateral and equiangular. That means that all the sides are equal and all the angles are also equal. That type of polygons are called a regular polygon. And if it is not equilateral and equiangular, then we can name it as irregular polygon. So, Rohit, can you say an example of a regular polygon? If all the sides are equal and all the angles are equal. Can you say an example? Square. What are the properties of a square? In a square, all the sides are equal and all the angles are equal. So we can say that square is a regular polygon. Can you say one more example, Siddharth? Equilateral triangle. Okay. Equilateral triangle. They are also, in an equilateral triangle we already studied that all the sides are equal. The length of all the three, how many sides are in a triangle? 3 sides. The length of 3 sides are equal and all the angles are of measure 60 degree. Equilateral triangle, the angles are 60 degree and all the sides are also equal. So we can say that equilateral triangle is also a regular polygon. And this square, we already studied that a square, all the sides are equal, the length of all sides are equal and all the angles are equal. Then what is the measure of the angle in a square? All the angles are of 90 degree. In a square, all the angles are of measure 90 degree. And in an equilateral triangle, all the angles are of measure 60 degree. Remember it. So, what do you mean by a regular polygon? A polygon which is equilateral and equiangular are called a regular polygon. And if it is not equilateral and equiangular, then they are called a irregular polygon. You remember it. Then the example for regular polygon is square, equilateral triangle, because in a square all the sides are equal and all the angles are equal. In an equilateral triangle also all the sides are equal and all the angles are of same measure. Okay, so you remember the definitions also. What is a regular polygon and what is a irregular polygon? You remember it. Okay. You study all the properties. Then today what we studied? We studied what is a polygon. What is a polygon? A polygon is a closed figure made up of fully line segment. Then what do you mean by diagonal? Diagonal of a quadrilateral, diagonal of a polygon. If a diagonal means if it is a line segment joining two non-consecutive vertices. That if we draw a line connecting two non-consecutive vertices of a polygon, then they are called a diagonal of a polygon. Okay, you remember it. Then you study all the names of the polygons with the sides. Based on these sides, we studied some names for the polygon. You write in your notebook and study it well also. Okay, you study this also. What is a regular and irregular polygon? You remember the definitions also. You write neatly in your notebook and study it also. Okay. We can do more questions in the next class. Assignments will be given through Google Classroom. Thank you and Hari Om.